Hi everyone, we're at the JISEC event in Dubai, and we have Sathya with us, who is a senior security engineer and also a CDP learner. So I'd like to ask Sathya that what was the experience of taking up the course?
So it was awesome. You don't have to search through different things or go to such websites for infrastructure. So anything, everything is handled at one top button, and within minutes you get deployed for all the required things you need to learn. So you don't have to go, set up on your own, see some errors, solve it. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And how did it help you in your daily life, in your work experience?
Okay, I strongly believe that you don't have to learn the concepts mainly, and as everyone would not be able to remember all the flags, I should use this flag for this thing. So all the certifications, including a CDP, it taught me where you should look it and how would you do it, not just the concept. So if you take some syllabus, it would cover GitHub, GitLabs. So there is nothing that I should memorize all the GitHub commands, GitLab commands. So if at all you should do one thing, you should be able to see where you could look it easily done it. So that helped me a lot. No.
So the labs played a big part. Were they helpful?
Yeah, as I said, right, it was instant deploy thing. You don't have to worry about anything. So you can just deploy it and play through not just the concepts from the exam. You can just go through whatever you would like to do. There's no restrictions over there. So if at all a few members won't be able to access, they don't have such accessibility. So everything is handled in the browser itself. Yes. You don't have to rely on the hardware, anything. That's not a need at all. So you just have a browser, then you are good to go.
That's nice then. And you have I set on another course. We have the AI security course coming up as well.
Yeah. So the thing I'm looking for, AI security course and CDE, Certified DevSecOps Expert. So this was a requirement to go to the expert thing. So yeah, the expert and the CASP, I'm looking for it.
Okay, then he's going to be a second time and third time learner with us now. So we'll be happy to have you for the more courses as well. And nice meeting you, nice experience, and we hope you have a good experience ahead as well.